Homeowners, are you dreaming of a new deck? Here's our top 3 reasons to choose Trex over wood. Wood meets sanding and staining every few years. Trex delivers 25 to 50 years of low-maintenance performance, resisting warping, fading, insects, and rot, all with sun-comfortable, heat-mitigating technology that keeps it cool underfoot. Less work, longer life, smarter investment with Trex. Think you need wood decking to get the look you want and the durability you need? Think again. Trex can achieve looks that wood can't, with lighting and railing options to suit your style. With Trex, you get a deck designed to fit your life, spending more time enjoying your deck and less time maintaining it. Transform your outdoor space with Trex. Thinking about replacing your wood deck? Don't buy anything until you see this. Did you know you can save around 40% on the cost of sanding and staining alone? Made from 95% recycled and reclaimed materials, Trex is long-lasting and durable. And when it's time to sell, our customers recoup nearly 70% of their deck investment on average.